Hey everybody, Chris with Integrity Automotive, here to talk about destruction of camshafts lately. This seems to be a common issue across all the platforms that we have out there. Different things cause different issues, and it just seems that we're having a failure across the board on different things. It's not particular to one manufacturer or not, but these are some of the things we keep seeing. People will come in with random misfires, unexplained issues in their vehicle to where they keep having check engine lights even though they've thrown parts at it and it's still not fixing it. We've come to find out that some of these smaller pieces are failing internally in the engine, and it's causing destruction to some of the major components of the engine, namely the camshaft. This one right here is a Dodge out of a 5.7 Hemi. We had a lifter fail and it completely destroyed the lobe on the camshaft. That's a very common issue on these. We're not sure why, but they've come out with remedies and we've gone through and done that on the vehicle that this one was in. The other one is out of a Ford 5.4 3-valve. We had a follower come off and it destroyed the camshaft as well. So this one is also being replaced as well as the followers, so that way we don't have this issue again. So if you have an unexplained misfire or a random code that you've put parts at to take care of and it seems to keep coming back, give us a call, we'll get it checked out. There's some really good signs on why this is happening and how it's happening, so we can actually determine that this is the problem that you're having. So give us a call, we'll get you in here, make sure that this is or is not the problem that you're looking at, and get you back on the road with a vehicle that is reliable without that pesky little light going off. Chris with Integrity Automotive.